Hi, it's Adrian. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a ZeeSea unboxing. I thought I'd go ahead and show you what I have on, and then we'll go ahead and get to the unboxing. And I'm excited because um, I usually don't do unboxings, but I have to give you a spoiler alert that I am already wearing the lipstick from the Eyescream box because I just thought it was so pretty. So to go ahead and get started with what I have on, I had the NYX Glaze on. I mixed a little bit of the liquid lights from Colourpop with it, and so that's what I have on for my base. I did go ahead and use a little bit of the L'Oreal True Match in LN as far as, as far as my concealer there. And then as far as what I did for bronzer today, the Lumi Bronze It, and this one is actually the lightest color. It's by L'Oreal, and it's part of the Bronze It line, the Lumi line. It's really pretty, really like that one. For a blush, I went ahead and used the e.l.f., and so that's what I have on there. As far as highlighter today, got out the Moira, the Moira. Let's see, this is going to be the Foxy pink one, so I have this on. And then I put a little bit of the Daylight highlighter on top of it, so that's what I have going on there. And then for the eye look today, I did go ahead and get out the Citrus Punch. This one is by Simply Posh. And let's see, as far as what I did today, I did go ahead and do this one in the crease. And then I went ahead and did this one on the outer corner. Used a combination. I used this one on the outer corner and this one on the, this one on the outer corner, and then this one on the outer corner, and then I use the yellow right from here to here and then here to here. So that's what I have on today as far as the eye look, and it's really punchy, and I even put citrus perfume on to go with it so that I am all citrusy today. And so that's basically what I have on, other than the Tartlette mascara and let's see, the Make Me Brow, and this one is by Essence. I did go ahead and put something on from the February box and of Eyescream. It's a Mirabella Glow, and this comes in really fun little compact. It's actually a powder, and so I have that right under my eyes to go ahead and give me a little bit of brightness. And this is a really fun powder. It's very different, and I'm really enjoying it right now. But moving on to the March Eyescream box, which is what I just got in the mail, we'll go ahead and start with one of the palettes, and this is the girl with the pearl earring. And so this is a picture of the actual painting, and then what they're doing is base blue times meat is going ahead and doing the artistic eyeshadow palette. And so these are palettes, and they're part of the actual painting. So I thought that that was really pretty. They're going to do several of these. I know that they've done these. I know the Met did a couple with Picasso where the palette actually looks like the painting. And I thought we'd go ahead and swatch some of it here. So here are some swatches on my fingers. And we'll just go ahead and do that. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, so it tends to be, at least it looks like, more of a neutral kind of palette here. But these are those are the swatches that I got. So that's what it kind of looks like. And I was excited about these because I love when they mix art and makeup together. another palette, and we got two, and I did get the ice cream box this month, is Stained Glass. This one is by Klarity Cosmetics, and I've never tried Klarity before. This is what the palette looks like. And I'll go ahead and swatch these as well for you and for me. And one more moment here. Oh yeah, this has some really fun colors as well. So these are the swatches for the Klarity Stained Glass palette. There we go. So how those look. They're very, very pigmented shades. And yeah, there we go. Sort of like that maybe. So yeah, that's a fun palette as well. And can't wait to go ahead and try them out. We did go ahead and get a ZeeSea, and this is another one of the liquid eyeshadows. And so the one that we got this month was actually the gold one. And then last month we got a pinky one. So, and these are both ZeeSea. ZeeSea you can get on Amazon, and it's actually a really nice brand. I've gotten several things from them in the past, and so I really like their products. And we did go ahead and also get, this is from New Moon, I think. Yeah, it's a Multichrome, and so that came as well, and that'll go really well with both these palettes. The last, we got a duochrome from Charmacy, and this was the last product. I already have this on. So yeah, it's really pretty, and you just go ahead and put on the liquid lip, and then you get the sparkles. So yeah, I think this is really pretty. Now I wish that I'd gotten all of them. There was an option, one was included, but if you wanted to add all 5 in, you could go ahead and do that. And I didn't do it, and now I'm thinking that I should have gone ahead and done that. But yeah, these are beautiful, and they always take so much care in putting these together. You can tell that they really spend a lot of time going ahead, and the group that does the ice cream, as far as going ahead and making sure that everything matches. And so as far as going ahead and doing, yeah, this is the New Moon shadow. And actually, let me see if I can do one right here. So that's the New Moon shadow. And that's a really pretty color as well. There it is, and then there it is. Yeah, so a little goes a long way with this one. And very pretty. It goes green to pink and purple, and again, just a really pretty color as well. I think that's probably the whole video for today. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.